Yeah, like you bunch of English-speaking people out there. Okay, so today we're going to be doing maltagliati. Okay, it's a pasta, a little bit like, as far as time is concerned, what we did with the tagliatelle, vegan. Obviously, we're going to do the vegan tagliatelle, not the egg one. But you can do the egg one because at the end of the day, it's just a cut at the end. Okay, so maltagliati. What does it mean? Maltagliati means badly cut, but as we all know, the Italians don't do anything badly done. So if it's going to be done badly, it's got to be done precisely badly. Okay, so you're going to learn how to cut something precisely badly. Okay, so let's go for it. Ciao. Okay, right, so we've got flour here, and what I'm doing is I'm just doing a little bit of a mix. We've got 0, we've got a little bit of 1, and we've got a little bit of 2, so it should be quite nourishing. Okay, we've got 250 milliliters of warm water, and we will put around about a tablespoon of olive oil in there. Now all that's missing is the apron. Oh, sorry there. Okay, let's do it! Right, so we're going to start off by doing the fontana. As I said, I put a mix in. We are at the 10-minute mark. Let the dough to relax for 10 minutes. I'm going to start rolling it out. Half of that as well. We've got some long ones, some strangely short ones and round ones. We've got some very strange shaped ones here. But one thing I will say is if you have a ball of dough, very small ball of dough, you're going to find it fairly difficult to actually roll it out. Too big, it's going to go over the tray, so you've got to get that medium-sized one, or the size that's right for your board. Okay, so I'm going to do exactly what I was shown to do by Simona to do the tagliatelle. Okay, and that is literally to roll it up from the top to the middle and the bottom to the middle. Okay, so after rolling it, I found that it started to stick together. So what I'm going to do is unroll it to begin with. Okay, as you can see, it's not particularly easy. Once I've done that, I'm going to put a little bit more flour on. It's very important that it doesn't stick together, because making either maltagliati or tagliatelle, you're going to have problems separating them, so it's got to be fairly dry, and I think maybe my mix has ended up being a little bit damp. Okay, so we will now roll it up. Now, seeing as it is maltagliati, okay, badly cut, I don't think the roll has to be really perfect, okay, but we'll try and make it as good as we possibly can. In fact, I'll just roll it up in just one along the roll, okay, and then, right, ready to go. So what we've got to do is we've got to cut the angles, okay, it's definitely more than a 45-degree angle, okay, and we cut it across, so we get a triangular cut on each time we cut, okay, so we do the edges, cut like that, and then we cut across. Okay, so edges, and across. Right, so this is actually double the amount, so more or less 1 kilo. I did double the amount because the first bit of the take was done. Okay, so that's it. The maltagliati cut well. Badly cut pasta, all done. If you like the tutorial, please subscribe, press on that bell button, get your mums, your dads, your aunts, your uncles, everybody else to try and follow. See if we can get to 100 shortly. Obviously, if you want to see how to make egg pasta, I will try and put it around about there, I should think. And you can click on that and you can see an in-depth pasta tutorial on egg pasta. We do have another tutorial on strozzo prete if you want, and I'll see if I can put it probably here. Okay, click on those and you'll be able to see them. Okay, so see you next week. Ciao.